Onam.
Mama, when will we reach at Kerala?
Just in few minutes, Urmi. You need anything to eat?
No, Mama. Thank you.
You know why we are going to Kerala? We are going there for celebrating Onam. Onam is a great festival. It is celebrated in Kerala in between August and September. It lasts for 10 days. It marks the homecoming of King Mahabali. King Mahabali once ruled over Kerala. On this occasion, people wear new clothes. They put flower carpets to welcome King Mahabali. They offer prayers in temples. Procession of elephants and boat races are organized. Music and Kathakali dance entertain the people. Very large meals are prepared. Such a meal may have 21 curries and sweet payasam. People from other countries visit Kerala on the occasion. They greatly enjoy snake boat races.
Finally, we reached.
Welcome to Kerala. It would be really nice. We are going to celebrate Onam together.
Yes, I would love to see snake boat races.
Sure, Urmi.
For more animations, activities and information, follow us or visit our website www.evergreenpublications.in. Now learning is fun.